Now I will show you how the shadow formation takes place. So this is the source of light, this is the opaque object, and how the shadow forms. This black color part is the shadow. So as this is light, when I switch off this light, you can see there is no formation of shadow, because we know there are three conditions necessary for shadow formation is opaque object, source of light, and the screen. Here, as there is no light, so we will not get any kind of shadow. Just turn on the switch. See, light pass through this opaque object, and as this opaque object block the light, we observe black color shadow in the screen, the ground. The ground is acting as the screen. Now what will happen if I increase the size of the block? Now when I increase the size of the block, you can see as the size of the block increases, it blocks more light, so the size of the shadow also increases. And if I decrease the size of the block, you can see as the size of the block is small, it blocks less amount of light, and size of the shadow also small. You can again view when the object is small, the size is small. As I increase the size of the opaque object, the size of the shadow also increases. Okay, now we observe whether there will be change in the size of the shadow when I bring this opaque object near the light. So when the opaque object is near the light, the size of the shadow is very big. As I move away the opaque object from the source of light, you can clearly see the size of the shadow is decreasing. You can see as I move away, the size of the shadow decreases, and when I move the opaque object near the source of light, the size of the shadow increases. Why this happen? Because when the object is near the source of light, it blocks maximum amount of light, so size of the shadow is big, large. But when the opaque object is away from the source of light, it blocks very less amount of light. That's why the size of the shadow is small. So this is how the size of the shadows changes when we bring the opaque object near and away from the source of light. Thank you.